Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. So let's get started. First, open your browser and over here type Facebook Business Manager. After that, click on Login with Facebook and log in using your regular account. Then select the correct account linked to your business so everything stays organized. Over here on the dashboard, look at the lower left side and click on Ads. After that, click on Ads Manager. Then inside Ads Manager, go to the Campaigns tab where you can see all your campaigns. Over here, if you want to edit an existing campaign, hover over it and click Edit. After that, if you want to create a new campaign, then click on New Engagement Ad. Engagement ads help you get likes, comments, and shares. Then as an affiliate marketer, go to Partnership Ad and toggle it on. Over here, click on Enter Ad Code or Post Info and type the code or details provided by your affiliate program. After that, click Done. Then finally click Publish to make your ad go live on Facebook. Keep monitoring your ad's performance and adjust whenever needed. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.